What's up, guys? Welcome to THP Car. I hope you guys like the new intro, because you're gonna see it on every video now. So yeah, in this video we're gonna drop the transmission on Project Rose, because we're gonna change the clutch. I got a stage 4 CC clutch. That's pretty overkill for my setup. I got a K20A with bolt-ons, and I don't need the stage 4 clutch. It's very overkill, and I want something more easy to drive, so I got a exedy stage 2 clutch. Also, I know Andrews want to lift the head on Jay's car because he got a blown engine. So we're gonna see what's up with that. We want to see what the damage are on the engine. So it's gonna be pretty funny, I guess. Also, I want to say that you guys probably realize that English isn't my first language. We are French Canadian, so sometime in the video when we works, it happen we talk French because it's more natural to us. So every time we're gonna speak French in the videos, I'm gonna put subtitles so you guys can understand everything we say. So hope you guys don't mind too much about that. So we have a lot of content coming for this winter, so guys, stay tuned, and we'll keep you updated. Peace. Chum forgé. Peut-être que Luc après. That's it. Débarqué. We can never see eye to eye, cause I don't blink. Had the tone, nigga, no rookie. Nigga, so you put the you can spend it, you can so all my niggas are sick. It's all about the fear, we put it So guys, I gotta remove this bolt right here, and I gotta remove this one so the CMC can move out, and you gotta remove the one that is in the clutch pedal right there. So that's what we're gonna do. I cannot film in the same time, so just figure I would show you before I do it. So here we go. Here's the two bolts and the pin you have to remove. Earlier I say you have to remove the bolt from the pedal, but it's a pin. It's only a pin like this, so easy like that. Like that. Almost got it. My cell phone is out. There it is. Okay. Actually, we're gonna go the other side. So I had the S2000 replica CMC, supposed to be shorter, but I wanted to go back to the OEM style of the CMC. So I bought the keytune. It's not a keytune, it's an Honda one with the keytune reservoir on it. It's a clean look. So I went for this one to go back to the original style. So once you remove it from the firewall, you gotta remove the hose. So once you remove the hose, you're gonna have to remove the nipple. So here it is with the nipple back on it. Here it is, guys. The CMC is back in the car. I'm gonna remove this, no worries. It's in the next videos. And reroute all the brake lines. Alright guys, so the transmission is back in the car. I still have to bleed the clutch, but it's gonna be another time. I didn't put the rear mount yet because I got some future job I'm gonna have to do in this area. We're gonna post a lot of building video this winter, so stay tuned guys. Work.
Je sais pas, j'ai hâte de voir ça.
Ok. Moi j'ai hâte. Wow.
Oh man, c'est en miettes. Ready, Sam?
Oh, les valves vont tomber! God damn!
God damn, hey, il est martyrisé, mon gars. Hey, t'as même pété la valve de ce cylindre-là. 3 pistons, même elle t'a tapé piston dedans. Tic-tac.
Yo!
Aïe, aïe.
Il y a le piston? Il est dans la base?
Il est dans la base. Là, il est où? Il est dans la base. Il est flushé. Là, on va faire dropper à la panne.
C'est un piston effiloché, là. God damn.
Too much boost, man. Nous autres, essaient de partir ça. C'est de partir ça, c'est la compression.
Oh my fucking god!
Hey, check la rod! Elle a fait un U!
Wow!
Hey,
Tout est fini.
gros, y'a rien de bon. Hey, la face!
C'est grave. J'ai un aimant, ça.
Non.
C'est pas une bonne.
We override. Cause we experts in experience. We
So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned. We got some video coming for this car, for this car, for this car. And you know this car. You've seen this car. So stay tuned, guys, and see you next time. Peace.